Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started. Our number one pick is the Samsonite Freeform 21-inch hardside carry-on, the gold standard for frequent flyers. If you're someone who values durability, smart design, and smooth travel experiences, this carry-on is a total game changer. Let's start with the design. The Samsonite Freeform is built with an ultra-light yet ultra-strong polycarbonate shell, which means it can take hits, drops, and airport chaos like a champ, all while keeping your belongings safe. It has a sleek, modern look with minimal branding, so it feels classy and professional, whether you're headed to a business meeting or a weekend trip. But where this suitcase really shines is in the functionality. It's equipped with 360-degree spinner wheels that glide effortlessly across terminals. No wobbling, no dragging. The push-button telescopic handle is sturdy and adjustable, giving you full control while manoeuvring through crowded spaces. Inside, it's surprisingly spacious. With multiple compartments, compression straps, and even a wet pocket, you can organise your clothes, tech, and toiletries with zero hassle. And yes, it's TSA approved with an integrated combination lock for added peace of mind while travelling. At number 2, we have the super practical and surprisingly stylish Swissgear Science Softside Expandable Carry-On Luggage. If you're someone who loves staying organised on the go, or you just want a bag that makes travel smoother, this carry-on might just be your new favourite travel companion. First off, this bag is all about smart organisation. It features multiple front zipper pockets, so you don't have to dig through your main compartment every time you need your boarding pass or headphones. Inside, there's plenty of space for your clothes, shoes, and even those last-minute extras you always throw in. Plus, it comes with adjustable tie-down straps and a removable wet bag, which is perfect for separating damp items or toiletries. One thing travellers love? The expandable feature. Got souvenirs? No problem. The sign gives you a little extra wiggle room when you need it most. And even when it's fully packed, it rolls like a dream, thanks to the 360-degree spinner wheels. Whether you're rushing through the airport or navigating tight airplane aisles, this bag keeps up with you. No tipping, no dragging. The push-button telescoping handle feels smooth and sturdy, and the overall build, made of durable polyester, can definitely take a beating. It also has reinforced side handles and corner guards to handle the rough handling of travel. It's great for weekend trips, business travel, or even longer getaways if you pack light. And it looks good while doing it. Coming in at number 3 is the super reliable and budget-friendly Amazon Basics 21-inch hardside carry-on luggage. If you're looking for solid performance without spending a fortune, this one definitely deserves a spot on your radar. First off, let's talk about durability. This carry-on features a protective hard shell made from extra thick ABS plastic, which is designed to handle all the bumps and bruises that come with air travel. It's also scratch resistant, so it'll still look good after a few trips through baggage claim, even if it never actually makes it to the claim area. Inside, you've got a fully lined interior with a divider and zippered pockets, perfect for keeping your clothes, gadgets, and accessories neat and separate. And if you're someone who tends to overpack, guilty, the expandable zipper gives you up to 15% more space, a lifesaver for those last-minute outfit decisions or souvenirs. The 4 double spinner wheels make rolling this carry-on feel almost effortless. It glides smoothly in all directions, which is great for navigating crowded airports or squeezing down airplane aisles. Plus, the telescoping handle is sturdy and extends easily, while the short handle options give you a good grip when lifting it into the overhead bin. What's great about this bag is its simplicity and value. It's not overloaded with fancy bells and whistles, just the essentials done right. If you're a frequent flyer, a college student, or just someone who wants a dependable bag for weekend trips, the Amazon Basics carry-on delivers everything you need at a fraction of the price of premium brands. Number 4 in our side is Wrangler hardside spinner carry-on luggage. If you're looking for a bag that's compact, colourful and packed with clever features, this one's a serious contender, especially for weekend getaways or short business trips. Let's start with the style, because yes, looks matter. The Wrangler hardside spinner comes in a variety of vibrant colours, like lilac, teal and rose gold. So if you're tired of blending in with the sea of black luggage at the airport, this bag will definitely stand out on the carousel, even though it's small enough to skip checked baggage altogether. But it's not just about looks. The durable hard shell is tough enough to handle airport knocks and bumps, while still being lightweight and easy to lift. Inside you'll find a fully lined interior with a zippered divider and compression straps to help keep everything secure and wrinkle-free. Now here's a feature we love. It comes with a built-in USB port. That's right, if you toss a power bank inside, you can charge your phone right from your luggage while waiting at the gate. No more hovering around crowded airport outlets. Last in our top 5 best carry-on luggage list is Luggage carry-on luggage. If you're after style and function in a compact travel companion, this one's got the goods. Right out of the box, the Luggage looks and feels premium. It features a durable polycarbonate shell with a minimalist design that's built to handle rough travel while still turning heads. It's lightweight but solid, which means it's easy to lift into overhead bins, yet tough enough to protect your gear on bumpy rides. But what really makes this carry-on stand out is its airline-approved size and expandable design. That's right, when you need a little more room for your shopping haul or extra outfits, the expandable zipper gives you that breathing space without pushing you over airline limits. It's great for weekend trips, short business travel, or even minimalist international travel. The silent 360-degree spinner wheels roll like a dream. Super smooth, no annoying noise, and no wobble even on uneven floors. Combine that with a smooth telescoping handle and navigating crowded airports feels effortless. Inside you get a smartly organised interior with compression straps and multiple compartments. There's space for your clothes, shoes, gadgets, and it all stays neat thanks to the zip.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.